everyone, so for today's video I am doing another study with me. I haven't actually done one of these in quite a while, so I thought I would do one for you today. So this is actually from yesterday as you're watching this. So I have my mocks Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So this weekend I was doing a load of revision and I thought that I would film it for you. So this video is actually also a collab with a load of YouTubers, which I'm going to link down below, as there are way too many to list out, but they've all done study with me as well, whether that's up today or next week. So make sure to subscribe to them all and check out for their study videos. So I started off by making some flashcards for physics, as I did the biology ones on Friday night, so I thought I would finish off my science ones today. So basically what I was doing was taking a whole topic from the textbook and literally putting it on a double side of a small flashcard. It may sound crazy, but basically how my science flashcards work is like any definitions or keywords or theories, things like that, I put onto a flashcard anyway. But these were kind of the other things that I never just had a specific one flashcard for. So it was really just basic notes, condensing maybe 9 pages in the book onto like this tiny little flashcard, and it just worked. It's just basically like key pointers, so things to jog my memory, and yeah, that's what I was just doing. Finished doing all the physics ones, so I thought I may as well get all the chemistry ones done as well. So I was just doing the same thing really, just to finish this off. And yeah, this method is really useful. All these flashcards are for the paper 2 topics, as that's what my science marks are on. So once those are finished, I'll be going back and doing the exact same thing for paper 1 topics. here, the little clock I'm using is from the app Be Focus, and it basically just times my revision and keeps me on schedule. So after this, I took a long break and I had some lunch, and then when I came back, I moved on to poetry. So I was basically making a massive A3 mind map for the 2 different themes of poems, romantic and family. And I have like smaller mind maps for these, and I have a mind map for each poem already, but this was going to be my quote mind map. So I literally wrote out my key quotes from my flashcards and then just annotated around them and basically just what the technique was and the effect it has. And I just wanted somewhere to stick these up on my wall, as sometimes it's not always easiest to just have the flashcards out or whatever, so at least I have these posters now. So I just worked my way through doing this, and actually shortly after this my camera ran out, so this is the last bit of footage I have of me actually doing some work. But I have a couple of clips where I've actually just overlaid, basically showing you the finished result and what else I did whilst the camera was off. So here are the next few clips. Okay, so I did some English, so I made these 3 big A3 posters. I actually found this A3 paper, which I think I took from school. So basically I wasn't intending to have all the family poems on one, but anyway. So yeah, these have just got quotes on them, as you can see, and then I've like annotated each quote because I've got a mind map for each poem in my folder, but I wanted this as kind of like another way to learn quotes, as they're all on flashcards, but then at least this way I can see like the technique I've highlighted and then it annotated like the effects and everything like that all around it. And also done like a load of maths questions on just like topics that are grade 7 and 8 kind of questions. So there's like what was this? I did like rearranging formula, functions, area of triangle and finding missing lengths, so like the cos rule, sine rule, and then I did quadratic formulas like finding the nth term, and I'll probably do some more of these tomorrow because I have 2 maths mocks, Monday and Tuesday. And also organise my flashcards, not gonna lie. These are all the flashcards that I need for Monday, so I've got all my maths ones here with like formula and stuff. Got the biology, and then I've got the RE because I need to actually finish these off and learn some quotes, but I'm really excited because it's paper 2 and that's my favourite paper out of the 2. I also started this chemistry paper. Like I've done most of it, it's just like the practical questions. I just need to go over my RPs before doing that, and then I actually have the biology one ready for tomorrow, as we've actually done the physics one at school as homework, so I was like, well, there's no point. So yeah, I did the chemistry one as well. I think I've got like 3 questions left, which basically just the required practical questions in there. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!